And what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dadlife. Alright guys, what are we getting into today? In this video, it's going to be another how-to videos because I think you guys enjoy them, and I enjoy making them. Sick motorcycle. So, in this video, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to actually remove this stock third brake light on the C5 Corvette. I'm going to show you how to remove it, and then we're going to replace it with a very nice red LED third brake light. Third brake light. Enjoy the video, guys. Alright guys, this is before. You can see how old, and it almost looks like it's been like sanded, but you can see how old and just dingy that third brake light looks. We're going to replace that, so that way it matches the taillights. Alright guys, so this should be pretty straightforward, and what you're going to do is you're going to have to remove one of the inner taillights to get access to the third brake light. So realistically, you're just going to have two T15 set screws, and you can use something like this. You're going to see, there we go, T15. My kids are playing the car. What you're going to do is you're going to start by removing these screws. All right, guys. So now we're going to pop out the taillight. Get this bad boy out, as my kids are destroying my other car. All right, there we go. All right, guys, and you're gonna rest your taillight down. You actually don't have to disconnect it. But what you're gonna do is you're going to look in here. Let's see if we can get this in there real quick. And you're going to see right up here, you're gonna have two 7mm screws. And we're gonna use a ratchet with an extension to get to the 7mm screws. Now, just in terms of video quality, that's going to be a pain to try to video that while I undo that. And also, thanks to YellowVet04 on YouTube, buddy of mine, Dave, he made a great point when doing this. You could take any side out, you could take both sides out. I'm right-handed, so of course I'm going to take out the right-handed side. If you're left-handed, you can take out this one. If you have short arms and you take out both, again, it's super easy. Just pop those out. So let's remove the two screws, and we're going to pop out that third brake light. All right, guys, I have the shorter arms. That was not fun getting the other side, but I got it. All right, so we're going to, of course, unplug it from the connector. I'm going to slide that out. There is your stock brake light. All right, now we'll, all right, and let's compare it to the new LED brake light. I chose to go with the all red, I guess they call it the red chrome housing, because again, I wanted it to match the halos. So let's put this back in. First, we're going to place it in, and we're going to connect the connector here with the socket, and then put the two screws back in. All right, push it and let go. Push it and let go. Yeah. All right, you gonna do it one more time for me? Which one? Show me which one. All right, not yet. Let me see. Oh yeah, there you go. All right, thank you. Go ahead. Cool. All done. All right, guys. Now to finish putting your taillights back, we're gonna grab the torque screws, put those back in. Again, as I drop one. And we're gonna grab our T15. And let's grab that. T15 again. Gonna snug this up. All right, guys, so there we have it. Installed. If I would sit here and say it was easy, I'd be lying a little bit. Scale 1 to 10, 10 being the easiest. If that makes sense. Let's see. a 9 if you have short arms. If you have T-Rex arms like me, it's going to be a pain in the you-know-what. I ended up removing both lights. I also dropped the screws like 15 times. But yeah, that's one of the problems with working blind, not having the bumper off the car and having short arms. But it's on. As you can see, let's go to the old one. The stock unit. Outdated and faded. Does not match the LEDs. Now, all nice and shiny. Matches nice. All right, guys, that is going to put a wrap on this video installing a third brake light on your C5 Corvette, guys. As always, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet, I should say, and hit that notification bell, guys, so you're always in the loop of when fresh Dadlife content is coming out. As you guys may have seen from yesterday, I'm going to start putting my, just keeping one channel, Dadlife, but I'm going to start incorporating some quick spec videos from when I'm at work, guys. So if you also want to follow Kia content and you want to see what cars Kia makes, what exciting cars I have on the lot at work, again, subscribe to Dadlife if you haven't yet. As always, guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. Till the next video, this is Dadlife. Ow. Thanks, guys.